So if you look to the left, that's a GoPro Hero 5. And if you look to the right, that's an Akaso Brave 4. The Akaso costs 79 bucks. The GoPro costs 320 bucks. There's small differences in the camera to me when it comes to like quality, but for the most part, they're pretty neck and neck. I say the biggest differences when it comes to quality to me that I see with the Akaso is the housing. You can tell it's made out of a cheaper material, so it's not as sturdy as the GoPro. The app, you can tell they didn't put as much work into their app. You can still connect Wi-Fi and have a second screen so you can see what's going on with your shots and all that, but it doesn't lower the resolution, so you won't get lag on your phone. GoPro lowers resolution so you can get almost seamless streaming from the camera to your device. The Akaso doesn't do that. If you switch to 4K, it's going to try to stream in 4K and the app will crash. The sound quality is much better on the GoPro. The Akaso has so-so sound quality. It's going to record sound, but you're going to hear a little bit of interference, a little bit of fuzziness. The GoPro is just much better quality sound. I believe that's the reason why the file size is so much big on the GoPro too. On the Akaso, for example, this file that I shot right here on the GoPro is 3.5 gigs. On the Akaso, it was only 400 megabytes. So of course there's some quality cutting right there. I haven't dug into it to see exactly where, but I know part of it is the sound. Akaso does come with all the accessories you need. The app for it is free, so you connect Wi-Fi to see the second screen. So you get a lot of accessories. With my GoPro, it came with housing, it came with a battery, a remote, but that's about it. The Akaso came with a lot more. And the GoPro is touchscreen, and the Akaso is not. But the Akaso Brave 5 is touchscreen, and I actually just ordered one of those, and it was $99. So I'm going to see how that one is. If that one is a big difference, I'm probably going to send the Akaso 4 back and stick with the Akaso 5. But we'll see how it goes. And I'll do a review on that and let you guys know. This camera just really stood out to me, only being $79.99. And I'm really big on good quality and a great value. Now, I haven't tested this camera in any type of action or nothing like that because I don't skateboard, I don't ride bikes, nothing. I am fat. I'm not planning on doing any of those things. So I can't really tell you how it does with stabilization and all that. But with standard recording, it's really good. I really like the camera. As always, thanks for watching. Have a great day.